guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm Amy, and today I am wanting to do a little Halloween nail design for you guys that is super simple. It will include just simple household things, an orange nail polish. I've got my Sinful Colors in Country Orange? Courtney Orange, and it's a lot of glare, don't know if you can see there, and then that's that one, and then I've just got a Salon Perfect black, and it's called Corpse's Bride, just like that. I have some good old-fashioned wax paper and a dotting tool. There it is. I thought I had it sitting out, apparently not. And I got this in just some little kit one time. I thought it was cute, but it's a nice little dotting tool. And we are going to make some spider webs and the spider. I'm going to start with just my orange down on all of my nails. And this is just a regular polish, so you don't have to cure it. So no LED light needed. And I will do 2 coats of it. It is kind of light. So I'm going to tip this down so you can see what I'm doing here. You see my cords everywhere. Welcome to my world. If there's not a cord to something somewhere, it's not a normal day. So you just take and go do a nice thin, even layer here. I am far from a professional. I am not a nail tech. I'm not a licensed nail tech. I just do this for fun. Thought I would share this with you guys. This is something I enjoy to do. And I do tend to make a mess sometimes out of it. It gets everywhere. So, and apparently I have an email coming in that I probably don't want. Alright, there is 1 coat. Now we gotta let this dry for a little bit, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to apply my 2nd coat and I will be back. Alright, now that they are all painted and I've done both hands and they are mostly dry, I'm just going to take some of this black polish, and I've got my palette here. I'm just going to use this wax paper. I'm just going to put a few drops. Alright. Get all scooted into my chair here. Get all ready. I've got a little nail polish remover here just to keep my little tools clean. Got a little paper towel. Move all this out of the way, kind of over here. We're going to start here on the ring finger, and we're going to make our spider. We're just going to dip into the black polish, and we're going to make a nice circle. So, clean that off. And we're going to go again make just a little bit smaller circle here for his head. All right. And with our toothpick here, we're just going to take a little bit and we will create some legs. It does not call for any fancy tools. It does, you kind of have to pick up a lot and kind of play with it a little bit. And sometimes I think it's easier to do somebody else's nails than your own. But as you see, I'm just using my toothpick here to create my legs. This way. Like so. And my legs are not going to be even. That's okay. And this is just for fun. It's just to have a little fun. I absolutely love Halloween. And I just thought this would be something fun to show you guys to do. My legs are kind of everywhere. Yeah, he's kind of crooked on here anyway, so that's okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go from the cuticle down and make his little string that he's hanging from. Like so. And the best part is this is just nail polish, guys. Just, you don't like it, you can go in and wipe it off. Start over, that's kind of up to you. I just have fun with it. I'm going to take a little white polish. The other end. A couple little dots and give him some eyes. And there's my little spider. Kind of lopsided, but that's alright. So, and then I'm just going to show you real quick. I have a fly buzzing around driving me insane. We are going to do some spider webs, and I'm just going to go from the corner here and do a line. Try to do a line. Don't know how this is going to turn out, or how long it'll stay like this, because I don't know if I'm going to like it. I'm not getting the line I want. But like I said, guys, it's just nail polish. It's not permanent. We can take it off and try again. And for any reason you don't like it, whatever. It's just nail polish. Wipe it off. Try again. I go through tons and tons of cotton pads and nail polish remover because I decide I don't like a color or a design or just polish. It's not permanent. And at Halloween, the messier the better. That's the best part of it because it's supposed to be fun and spooky and messy, so that's what I like about it. I am not perfect at this. I wrote boo on my daughter's nails here not too long ago, but her nails are all messed up now. She's 5. I don't expect anything to ever stay. So there you have a kind of a spider web and a spider. We can even go in. Oof. And we'll create some stitches here. Create some little stitches. I would attempt to bat, but I know I can't do that. You can take some white, which is what I'm digging in here. And we're going to create a bit of a circle. We're just going to pull that down a little bit. We're kind of on the side a little bit, which is fine. And we got a ghost. Kind of. My mouth got a little close to my eyes there, it looks like. It does not like to focus on white, I'm telling you. But we got like our ghost, our spider, and a spider web, and some stitches. And this is just, the fun part is you can do whatever makes you happy. Maybe we'll do another. And it seems like when it starts to dry out, it's a little easier to work with. And if you want to make kind of a bigger spider here, we'll just go on my thumb. I think I might need some more black paint. Ooh, I just stuck my finger in my ghost. Yeah, I'll fix him in a minute. Trying to figure out how to do this to get you guys a good angle of what I'm doing without making a mess out of everything. This ain't gonna be more black paint. Let's get a little bit more black paint here. Whoop. Not that much more black paint. So we got some more black paint. Not what I was going for, but it's okay. And we're just gonna create his line he's hanging from here. Nice legs. My legs tend to get a little questionable at the end. And 2 little eyes, and there you got a nice big one. But there you go, guys, some really fun Halloween ideas. And then I'm just gonna go over, we're gonna start with my first 2 I painted while the rest of these get dry, which I'm not sure they will because I just messed that one spider up, which is fine. But you just kind of take it and kind of float it over so you don't make too much of a mess of it. I know, I'm awful at this part. There we go. But there you go, guys. Some fun little Halloween ideas. Super simple, super cute. My spider is left something to be desired, and for some reason, eye stitches smeared. But that's okay. It's all for fun. I think my spider webs turned out the best. So I might be taking this off and doing some spider webs, but there's a general idea of how to get it done. So that's all I've got for you guys today. If you liked it, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and come back and see me soon. Love you guys.